What's happening, people? Man Like Big Show. I've got some cheese bakes today to try. I've got the ultimate cheese board, cheese bake. We've got red Leicester, garlic and black pepper. And we've got vintage cheddar, mozzarella and chorizo. I've also got some beautiful garlic butter to go with my bread, just in case it's a bit dry. Beautiful that is. And we've got some olive bread. I'm going to go in with a little bit of toasted olive bread. I'm going to go in with the vintage cheddar and mozzarella and chorizo. Oh. That's nice on its own, but I'm going to go in with a bit of garlic butter, because that makes everything better. Oh, that's fire. Oh, it's banging. Well, I give it about a 7 on its own, but with the garlic butter, 10 out of 10. Let's go in with the second one. I'm going to go in with just a bit of normal bread with the red Leicester and garlic and black pepper. Let's try it just with a bit of bread. Give it about a 5 out of 10 on its own. Let's do it with a bit of garlic butter, a bit of toast. Give it a 7 out of 10 with that. Right, last one, the ultimate cheese board. That's all right. Give it a 6 out of 10. Try a bit with the old garlic butter. .5. So the best one out of all three is this one. Definitely. Right, if you like the content, please don't forget to like, follow and subscribe. Thank you.